The children see my parents on a daily basis prior to circuit breaker. It was very, very tough because even for myself, not to see my parents for a while. And the thought that I can't take care of her in person is a little bit worrying.
So they'll be thinking in their minds, what exactly is happening? How can we be there for them without being physically there?
திடீர்னு சொன்னாங்க இந்த மாதிரி வந்து MOH கைட்லைன்ஸ் பிரகாரம் நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் உள்ளே தங்கணும். அவங்க என்ன கேட்டாங்க, நீ ஏன் இங்கே வந்து தங்குற உன் பிள்ளைங்களை விட்டுட்டு அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு. அப்போ நான் சொன்ன வந்து இதான் நிலைமை இப்போ நடந்துட்டுருக்கு வெளியில்.
I felt very alone because my mom was always there to help me work through my problems. We live really nearby the workplace. We couldn't even come inside and hug her.
Towards the end of the first week, we were then in the US. The cases started going up. At that point of time, my panic was, how am I even going to get another flight home? The situation was pressing because I had my family with me. My husband was with me. My young son was with me at that point.
ஆரம்பத்தில் கோவிட் வந்து டார்மெட்ரிக்குள்ளே வந்தப்போ கொஞ்சம் வேகமாக இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆச்சு. ஒருத்தருக்கு இருந்தது, 2 பேருக்கு இருந்தது, அப்புறம் 100, 200 அப்படி ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சது. ஸோ அந்த காலகட்டத்தில் எல்லாருமே பயங்கரமாக பயந்தாங்க.
To most people, they've told me just be a number. But to me, it's not just a statistic. Because I've been in ICU for about 10 years now, and I've seen a lot of deaths. And it's not something that you ever get accustomed to.
And when the patient passed, it sort of hit you like it could be someone's spouse, it could be someone's parent, it could be someone's child.
என்னோட ஃபாதர் வந்து எனக்கு கால் பண்ணார், இந்த மாதிரி அம்மா ரொம்ப சிக்காக இருக்காங்க, எனி டைம் வந்து அவங்க வந்து பாஸாகவே ஆகிடுவாங்க அப்படி. அந்த டைமில் நான் உள்ளே இருக்கும்போது அந்த ஒரு 3 நாள் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப வேதனையாக இருந்தது. ஏன்னா என்னோட மதரை போய் பார்க்க முடியாது.
My parents just got tested for COVID. My friends in Singapore started to say, come home now.
We were in the ambulance and waiting when my wife turned to me and she said, do you realize that we may not get to see each other again?
That dreaded feeling that he's going to die or I'm going to die and I won't see my children again.
疫情在全球爆发，让我们感受到生命的脆弱。
有害怕，有焦虑，缝隙开始出现。
我们熟悉的生活一夜之间被颠覆了。
4月开始近2个月的阻断措施，然后是解封第1阶段，到现在的第2阶段。
舞台上20名舞者诠释着你我都可能感觉到的彷徨。今年舞台上的舞者都是从专业的舞蹈自由工作者挑选出来的，有些之前在海外工作，因为疫情回到新加坡，而有一些则是刚刚毕业，面对眼前的不确定，有恐惧，有迷惘，有痛苦，有不安。
身处在狂风暴雨之中，挥之不去那重重的压迫感。
疫情当中，各行各业都受到影响，生活各个层面面对考验。
但我们找到了在风暴中起舞的勇气，在困难中奋斗的决心。
我们经历了火的试炼，在新的常态中找到了内心的平静，学着在这不一样的环境当中再次起舞，彼此扶持。
So I thought to myself, I, as an infectious diseases trained doctor, how could I sit by the backbench and watch the whole outbreak unfold before me? I decided to come back from my maternity leave to be part of the COVID-19 frontline response. I've really been training for this all my life.
When I first knew that I might be nursing COVID positive patients, initially I was quite worried, but the moment I stepped into the hospital, something changes.
5年前我就开始 step down from 我的 full time nursing， 我就去 health serve volunteer 了。我的孩子他跟我讲 foreign worker 的那个 number 一直在上，一直在上，你还要去讲不怕哦，是假的，一定是会怕的。
During the height of the pandemic, we were working 16-hour days almost every day, and I was already isolated from my family, and we don't see each other at all.
I have no second thoughts when I volunteered the Wuhan flight. I just want to bring the Singaporean back to Singapore. I also think that what happens if my family members are the ones stuck in Wuhan? Will I want to bring them back? Of course, definitely, I want to bring them back.
When Malaysia borders are closed, I was redeployed to overseas with dorm operation. It's a new experience for us, so we are not used to this kind of thing.
Right before we ORD, they did ask us whether we wanted to help out for this COVID situation at the front lines, and that's when I decided that it was a good opportunity for me to sign up for it and do something meaningful.
When I asked my wife, I'm going for this COVID-19 operation, I thought she would stop me. She told me, you have experience in SARS. Why don't you go? You can guide your juniors.
I do not ever want it to come to a point that we have to turn people away because we don't have enough resources, we don't have enough manpower. So that was my message for Singaporeans to stay home and stay safe.
The healthcare professionals integrated with the other member of the society to provide necessary support. So the unity that happened through this experience is something that will last forever.
我们帮忙人不是说 in good times 才帮忙 in bad times 我们还是要继续的帮忙。
At the end of the day, I think we're all playing our part as Singaporeans, trying to put our best foot forward, doing our best to keep our families and our homes safe.
医疗人员、必要服务工作者，他们毅然选择了站上前线，冒着生命危险保护新加坡。
下一首歌曲诠释了我们携手相连、坚毅向前。
I know what you're going through. I know you're hurting right now. I think I know what's on your mind. I'm right behind.
I can't wait to dive in and feel the coldness of the water. Wash away the heat. I'll stand with you, we'll see this through. I'll witness the sunset hues. Oh, we'll start anew together. I'll stand with you, we'll see this through. I'll witness the sunset hues. Oh, we'll start anew together.
see you taking one step at a time. I know you're trying right now. Sometimes we feel like we are tied. I'm right behind.
I can't wait to dive in and feel the coldness of the water wash away the heat.
I can't wait to dive in and feel the coldness of the water wash away the heat.
I stand with you, we'll see this through. I wish the sunset hues. Oh, we'll start anew together. I stand with you, we'll see this through. I wish the sunset hues. Oh, we'll start anew together.
Walaupun jauh di mata, kata pepatah Melayu, tapi dekat di hati. Pekerja-pekerja yang melalui air mati Clementi ini adalah semua tetamu terhormat saya. Ini kadang saya fikir, adakah dia sihat, ke dia tak sihat.
在那个疫情的时候，大多数的国人都要留在家啦，所以呢，他们就会跑到 NTUC 来买东西了。我们必须要加长时间，赶快把那些货品补上去，让顾客可以容易买到他们所需要的东西。
So when schools closed and we went into home-based learning, how do you ensure that your kids are still engaged, remotely? So we started using social media, building a community of parents, students, and teachers. The idea is just to keep them engaged in that creative process.
அந்த கோவிட் சுச்சுவேஷனில் நான் வந்து ஃபாஸ்ட் டீம் கூட நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன். அதில் வந்து MOM ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ், போலீஸ் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ், ஆர்மி ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ், டாக்டர்ஸும் இருந்தாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்க தனிமையில் இருக்கும்போது அதிகமாக பயந்தான் வரும். ஐயோ நமக்கு பாசிட்டிவ் ஆயிடுச்சே, நமக்கு வேறு ஏதாவது ஆகிடுமோ அப்படிங்கிற எண்ணம் தான் நிறைய ஆரம்ப காலகட்டத்தில் இருந்தது. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து நம்ம அவங்ககிட்ட பேசி அவங்களுக்கு தைரியம் கொடுக்கும்போது அது தன்னம்பிக்கையை கொடுத்தது. அரசாங்கமும் நல்ல விதமாக அவங்கள பார்த்துக்கிட்டது.
生意跌大概50%到70%啊。我 started Hawker United 是在 Prime Minister 闹3个circuit breaker 那天啊，也给人家知道说有什么样 delivery 会 deliver 到哪里，也可以让那些食客可以找到他们要支持还是要找食物的小贩。
My daughter was sick. Daddy, how come you're still working? Everybody is now staying at home. So I tell them, daughter, I have to work because I'm an essential worker. To keep them safe at home, the risk that we have taken is great and worth it.
என்னோட கலீக் ஒருத்தவங்க கிட்ட சொன்னேன், அம்மாவோட சிக்னஸ் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு போயிடலான்னு தோணுது. எனக்கு என்ன தோணுச்சுன்னா, இங்கே இருக்க எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறோம், எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கோம். பட் என்னோட அம்மாவுக்கு என்னால் அது செய்ய முடியல. ஆனால் அந்த டைமில் எங்கள் அம்மா கிட்ட நான் சொன்னேன், ஐ எம் வெரி சாரி அம்மா, ஐ கேனாட் கம் அண்ட் see you. ஐ கேனாட் டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் யூ. அப்போ வந்து எங்கள் அம்மா என்கிட்ட என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, who say you are not taking care of me, you are taking care of me. நீ எதுக்கு என்கிட்ட சாரி சொல்கிற? என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தானே நீ அங்கே செஞ்சிட்ருக்க, அதனால நீ இந்த மாதிரி பேசக்கூடாது.
就算不能在身旁，心是在一起的。下来就带来一段隔空表演，
由林俊杰作曲，孙燕姿作词，《Stay with You》向所有医护人员致敬。
JJ and I wrote this song for the heroes amongst us. They have kept Singapore going and safe. We hope you like it.
Just the other day I heard your voices right by here. Maybe it's all in my head, but still I feel you near. All the memories of your faces seem like days of yore. And if the walls are closing in, we'll find a window deep within.
I'll stay with you till the rays come through, till we find a way. And we'd say, look what time has held true.
seem like days of yore, and if the walls are closing in, we'll find a window deep within. I'll stay with you till the rays come through, till we find a way and we'd say, look what time has held true. Stay with you, we will all come through till we find a way. Me and you, we gather our dreams again. Come round, I'll be here, right with you. Stay with you till the rays come through, till we find a way and we'll say, look what time has held true. Stay with you, we will all come through till we find a way. Me and you, we gather all our dreams again. It may not all be the same. Come round, I'll be here, right with you.
心连心就能战胜任何挑战，你和我也能站出来。